waiting to give her this toy for like a week and a half because she loves buttons. We're in Phoenix, if you couldn't tell. We actually just ate our first delicious meal. We ate at Green Restaurant, and it's an all-vegan place, and it's so good. And Riley was so good on the flight this morning, and it was so cold in Denver, and now we're in Phoenix where it's so warm. It's like, what, perfect right now. It's like probably like 75 or something. So it's very nice, and we're going to, what is it called? The Penske Racing Museum, because it's free, and Riley's probably gonna lose it because she has not napped, and she got up at like 5:30. So we don't want to go anywhere where we have to pay or like, so if we had to leave, it wouldn't be the end of the world. Right?
Yep.
And we have Erica with us. Hi. We're here. Riley fell asleep in the car and then woke up very angry a couple of seconds ago. Yeah, you ready to go see some cars? You can go see cars? There's all these, what are these cars? Maseratis and Lamborghinis, and what was that first one? Rolls Royces. So all kinds of like really fancy expensive cars. We're in Scottsdale, which is like the rich people live here, right? That love to golf. Do you see the cars? Oh, this just looks like a little... I forgot what these are. What are they? Are they cars?
Oh, cars!
She has said cars like 80 times since we've been in here. And we haven't even been in here for like 5 minutes. She just keeps going, cars? Did you just bonk your noggin?
Yeah.
Aw.
Cars?
What is it?
Whoa.
Yeah. You can see where she hit her head. Like right on her eye.
Cars?
Cars?
Oh, cars!
Yeah.
Oh, cars?
Wait, did you see these ones?
Oh, was there a car? You're so sweet.
Cars?
Yeah.
We've established this.
Who likes the museum more, Dave or Riley?
Good question.
And we're back to buckling. You're so silly. She was just walking and then turned around and saw the stroller and had to immediately stop and buckle.
Daddy?
Is that Daddy?
Yes. Look.
We're leaving the museum and look, there's an Audi, which is who Dave works for, and they have an Alabama sticker. What are the chances? Roll Tide. Dr. Judy. That was what her license plate said.
Alright, so we just left the Penske Racing Museum, which was awesome.
Was it awesome?
Yeah, there's all these Indy 500 and Daytona 500 winning cars.
He loves racing.
Yep.
I loved watching Riley run around saying cars,
yeah.
Cars, cars. So I was entertained, he was entertained. It was free, it was a win-win.
Yeah, it was a good place.
Yep.
Now we're at...
McCormick Stillman Railroad Park.
Yeah, whatever that means.
Yeah, it's
so, we'll see.
Just a park with some railroad trains and railroad trains.
It's supposed to be those long railroad trains.
Railroad trains. We're tired, so yeah, we're probably gonna go home after this, or back to,
yeah.
to the hotel.
We're not going
after
home,
this.
I don't think.
We're done. We're tired. Okay, the end. We're at the park. We're in line to ride the little railroad train. Why do I keep saying railroad train?
I don't know.
We're in line to ride the train, as normal people call it. And Riley's in love with pigeons, we discovered. Are you ready for your first merry-go-round? Yay! You gonna go down the slide? Yeah. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Slide? She loves playing in dirt. Rock?
Good job.
It's like slow motion. Woohoo!
Ow. That's a hit.
I think it's been a few hours. We're done at the Railroad Museum, obviously.
Yep.
Well, we didn't even go to the museum. We just went to the park. But Riley was so funny on the merry-go-round because she had so much fun. Just like she's just so tired. Yeah. So we just checked into our hotel and rested for a couple hours, and now we're going to get dinner, and then we're going to come home and pass out because it's been a long day.
It has.
We're going to Pita Jungle. It's a place we ate at twice in July when we were here, so
Should be good.
it better be good. It was the best salad of my life. I'm excited. We're just in this little shopping center where the Pita Jungle is, and it's so beautiful. Look at all this, the palm trees with the lights on it. And then there's all these pretty flowers, and it feels amazing out here. What do you think the temperature is? What do you think it is? 73 degrees. 73. Oh, it's so nice. We are starting with some delicious hummus. Go for it. So this one is cilantro. Let's see how Riley likes it. She likes the normal. You want some more hummus? You like it? You want more?
It didn't phase it.
Nope.
Good job.
Yay! Look at this freaking salad. Yum. Erica got the same thing as me. Dave got falafel bowl. Like, look at the falafel. It's so good. Riley's eating some hummus.
Alright, we just got done at Pita Jungle.
It's so good.
It was very good.
Now we're just walking around because it's still nice out.
Yeah. Look at this nice shopping center.
And letting Riley stretch her legs.
And her run around a little bit.
She's doing so good for like running on a
Come on.
20-minute nap and waking up at 5:30.
Airplane, yeah.
Airplane?
It is an
Are you
airplane.
recording when she...
Hi, airplane.
This girl fell asleep in the car.
She is.
And then I had a laugh attack. Laugh/cry attack, actually. It's more of a cry attack, but I'm pregnant. It started as crying because I was laughing so hard, and then it just turned into I needed to cry because, I don't know. It was funny.
Silly mama.
But we're gonna go to sleep now.
Eat Coco.
Yep, she loves this book. We'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye.
Say bye.